students, let's solve this question. 4 congruent x mod 8, find x. As per the definition, we know that if A congruent B mod n means n divides A minus B. So let me apply it here. So I can say 8 divides 4 minus x, right? Now I need to find the values of x which satisfy this. Now think, if I put x is equal to 0, what I'll get? 8 and 4. No, I want the integers, right? So I will not go for this value. Now let me put what I can put. If I write here minus 4, if I put x is equal to minus 4. So 4 minus of minus 4 is 8. So it works. So this is one of my solution. Same way I can search different values of x. If I put x is equal to say minus 8. In that case 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it won't work. Same way you keep on putting the different values of x and get the answers. If I put x is equal to 4, what you will get? 0, 8, and you know that 8 divides 0. So 4 is also a solution. If you put 12, so 8, if I put 4 minus 12, what I'll get? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It works. So x is equal to minus 12 is the answer. Same way x is equal to minus 20 is also an answer. Thank you.